Az utolsó lövő, nem?
Tehát fölé ment, ugye?
Igen.
So that's my old friend of mine. It's my Pedersoli 4570 rolling block with cartridges loaded with black powder, of course. What else? And it's a Winchester A5 scope, also from the beginning of the 20th century, so quite contemporary match. Let's see what it can do on 150 meters. That's one. That's two. And that's three. Piece of cake. This thing is accurate.